Hello guys! Welcome to my channel again, Sweetness Charm. So guys, katatapos namin mag-breakfast sa Shaka. So ang sarap ng smoothies doon. And then now, mag-run kami ng board. So this time makakapag-surfing tayo ngayon kasi kahapon low tide. And naubos na yung oras namin. So let's go guys! Mag-tour-tour tayo dito sa daan ng Siargao. This is like a General Luna. So ito yung tourist road. Ganda guys dito, no? Ang daming shops and ayan, refreshing, ang daming puno. So guys, is renting a board. What's the board you're gonna use? 6.2?
Yeah, 6.2 thruster.
6.2. Okay. Yan guys, maraming boards dito. Okay, let's go. Fat Lips, 400 a day siya guys.
6 foot thruster.
Fat Lips. So guys, ayan, may entrance, 100 each. And then, ito na yung, medyo busy na siya guys. Siya muna, try muna niya. I-try niya muna.
Ganda na yun. Ganda na yun.
It's because the beach now is good. I mean the waves. So guys, busy na oh. Ganito na siya ka-busy guys. Kanina hindi pa. So
like a expectation versus reality. Okay.
Thank you. Oh.
go.
Please, in a car club.
Saya na nga guys, super busy na, ang daming tao guys. Ito, nag-enjoy naman mag-surfing, napagod si Habi kasi talagang magpapadel ka hanggang dun sa medyo gitna para lang may waves. Tapos ang daming tao, asing crowded na oh. Anyway guys, super enjoy naman kasi ang ganda ng lugar. And ayan, ginabi na kami. Kung makikita nyo guys, pauwi na rin kami. So, ang ganda ng Siargao Cloud9. Happiness Siargao Sunday Fun at Beach Park again. Ito naman guys, ang night road sa Siargao, sa General Luna. Ang daming nightlife dito, kung makikita nyo. At saka ang daming kainan, ang ganda, kahit maglakad-lakad ka lang, napakaraming shops, napakaraming bar, ayan. And then, ayan, may nagsuserve din sila ng alcohol, ayan, buffet foods. So guys, enjoy watching and abangan nyo yung susunod kong mga Siargao gagawin namin na tour, island tour sa part 3. And thank you guys for watching. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please Like, share, and subscribe. And see you again. Thank you. Bye.